In this pandemic, when countries are getting far from each other, India and Maldives have come closer. Friends, today I am going to talk about Indo-Maldives relations. Firstly, I will be talking about why this is in the news currently. Later on, I will talk about the introduction and importance of Maldives for India, followed by the bilateral assistance, historical ties, and some concerns, and at the end, the way forward. So let's begin. So currently we saw that under this COVID-19 pandemic, India has provided an extreme assistance to state of Maldives. We provided 6.2 tons of medical essential items under Operation Sanjeevani, and 2 days ago we saw that India is going to invest 500 million US dollar in the infrastructure project in the Maldives, the Greater Malay Connectivity Project. So friends, now moving to the introduction, then India and Maldives both are the country located in the Indian Ocean. In fact, the Maldives is located in the Arabian Sea with more than 1192 small islands. It is an archipelago country, and the Maldives is very small country having the population of 5.16 lakh and GDP of 6.87 billion US dollar. Now talking about the importance of Maldives for India, then Maldives is lying in the Indian Ocean, and it ensures the uninterrupted supply of energy to India. And if you talk about the importance for the trade route, then about 97% of the trade of India by volume and 75% by value passes through the region. So it is important that no other country have influence over the islands of Maldives. Now talking about some historical relations, then when Maldives became an independent country in 1965, India was one among the few nations to establish and diplomatic relations with Maldives. And since then we have cooperated in various times. Talking about the bilateral assistance, then India had provided assistance to Maldives many times. In fact, in 1988, when there was a coup attempt in Malé, then India sent 1600 military paratroopers, and they saved the Maldives state from attempt of coup. And also in 2014, when there was a water crisis, then India sent 1,200 tons of water to Malé. Now talking about some concerns between the two nations, then growing influence of China, and we saw the previous president of Maldives, the Abdullah Yamin, he was pro-China and anti-India. But later on we saw that in the year 2018, the Ibrahim Muhammad Soli, which is a pro-India government, and he stated his policy as India first policy, and India also takes care of Maldives under its neighborhood first policy. Apart from this, both the countries, they are the members of SAARC, BIMSTEC, and the Maldives always support India's candidature for the United Nations Security Council permanent candidature. So before ending my topic, I would like to say in the conclusion or way forward that both the countries, they are important allies, and they share same kind of ethnic, linguistic, cultural, religious and commercial links. So it is very important for both the countries to maintain harmonious relations, and it is also important for the peace in the Indian Ocean region. That's all. Thank you.